Hello friends and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make wall hanging decor ideas that I looked into Anthropologie. They were quite expensive and I didn't get why, but still they're beautiful, so I just want to make a makeover of those items and let's see how they will turn. Then I selected two wall hanging decor ideas that I'm going to make today. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel as well. To make this design, I'm going to use this foam tray. You can use a foam board as well. I got these tassels from Wish a year ago, but I couldn't use them in any project at that time. So now I'm using it for this beautiful wall hanging decor. I really like it. But if you want to make the tassel from the scratch, I have several videos where I made tassels. I'll share the link below. You can go ahead and check them out. The second item that I really liked in Anthropologie was this Kinga wall hanging decor. It is beautiful. It is simple, but still it is really beautiful. I used the same method as I used for the first item. Using a foam board, I started drawing my shape and cutting them into the sizes. This tassel is from one of the previous projects that I'm going to link below. You can check it out. It's very easy to make it. For the pink color, I didn't really like it, so I'm going to use this tape and cover this wall ring with it. It's like a rainbow color, and this is like shape of rainbow. That's why I like it more with this tape situation. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I share videos like this every week. If you like to see more of these kind of videos, please don't forget to support the channel and subscribe as well. See you next week.